think the battle's won. Think again. The fact is, for each one we reach, there's one we can't. And if we can't reach them, chances are nobody can. Because a mind is a terrible thing to waste.
What's up, family? Welcome to Unauthorized History. When we hear stories of black people who lived during the 1800s, we often hear negative stories about their struggles with slavery, the tense racial climate they had to endure, and a host of other hardships. Well, today, I am here to tell you the story of a woman who strived to improve her circumstances and made the pursuit of education a life goal, not only for her, but for students she taught as well. That woman was America W. Robinson. Let's get into it. America W. Robinson was born into slavery in January 1855. Her father, Patrick Robinson, was classified on the U.S. Census as a mulatto, and he worked as a carpenter. Her mother, Elizabeth Robinson, was also a mulatto. In 1866, she enrolled at the Fisk Colored School, and by the time she was 13, she was earning money by teaching during summer breaks. In 1875, America Robinson, James Dallas Burris, John Houston Burris, and Virginia Eliza Walker became the first Black American graduates of Fisk University. Additionally, they were the first Black Americans to earn a bachelor's degree from a liberal arts college located south of the Mason-Dixon line. In 1890, America earned her master's degree from Fisk University. Now, what's interesting about that is she was actually on the road touring in a singing group and when she earned that degree. But I'll save that for another video at another time. But let's keep going. Later, America married Edward Lucas, a school teacher, and the couple moved to Noxubee County, Mississippi. She opened a teacher's school and dedicated her life to the education of black children. America Robinson was a phenomenal woman whose accomplishment deserves to be celebrated. Please let me know your thoughts on this video down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Alright, peace, family.